अब question ये है कि how can you learn and how can you make the move. So I'll tell you the steps you need to take to make the move. Step 1 is to learn the skills. Okay. Step 2 is to learn how to transition to the new labor codes. And with this, you need to know कि पुराना कितना system बचेगा. How much of the old system will continue to stay. Okay. And this is not कि I've studied labor laws. No. After LLB, no, a law student has studied most of the laws, but many lawyers are unemployed. Why? Because they don't have the skills to do client work, and they don't have the skills to do real work for even an employer. Okay. So we have to bridge it at that level where you can do the work independently if needed. You don't need some boss to train you. The boss is your boss to report to, not to train you, right? Practice the work in simulation mode in a virtual setup where you practice the work safely so that if you make mistakes, you don't end up making a reputational disaster. You don't end up having, your company doesn't end up having to pay a fine. Your company doesn't pay the cost of your mistakes. And to save that, what do we do? If you want to bear the cost, what do? You don't take any action. So then you don't get the benefit, you don't get the salary increment, you don't get the raise, you don't get the promotion, you don't get the client. So if you want to be free from all of that, you have to practice simulation work, meaning in a fictitious environment, you have to do all the tasks. Okay, only thing is if you make a mistake, you'll get coaching and correction, but no adverse consequence. Okay, you do this for 6 months, and I'm saying that you can be extremely efficient at it. You can be reliable with it. A global manufacturing company will want to hire you if you apply. Build a track record for the manufacturing sector. Okay. So what is a track record? So writing is not, I've not seen writing to be a key part for any, for HR managers in their course, or, even in the MBA course or their HR course. But it's very, very important that you are comfortable writing professionally. It's required in any professional job today. So you should be comfortable writing emails, articles, detailed articles on, okay, how does a global manufacturing company deal with labor law in India? How to handle step-by-step disciplinary proceedings. Okay, that kind of track record, if it's available online, okay, then recruiters will notice you. You already know, you're in HR, you know all the big companies. What do? They have a tie-up with a headhunting agency, or they have an internal headhunter, right? How will they find people? They will either use sources, Naukri Walkry, ठीक है, they'll use those sources. But premium hiring के लिए क्या use करते हैं लोग? Premium hiring के लिए, LinkedIn markets itself as a source to hire premium candidates. Okay, you don't take a paid plan on LinkedIn, still what will happen? A good candidate writing on those areas, आपको दिख जाएगा. They will just come up in your LinkedIn feed. Okay, because that content is being shared, right? So you need to have a proper professional network. You need to have articles in that area which show up on Google if people search for issues. So imagine any good big companies, HR, CEO, CFO, they'll want to see. Head HR will say ki acha India mein what is the problem, how do we solve it? And imagine they find your article online, and then they look for you on LinkedIn. They add you to the network. They see that you are posting regularly new developments in this area. They'll know that, boss, you are ready for getting a job or a consultancy assignment for them. So how you build a track record is by learning the writing skill and publishing in that area online, so that people can find you and they can find your work.